for my bros, got it at the mud where mine is. Jump off that porch and I never look back.
It's KaeJae.
So I obviously did butterfly locks and decided to add some color. I got like 4 locks left to do. Edge control and whatever. Okay. Yeah. So I have like four left. So I was just gonna demonstrate how I decided to do them this time. Because last time they unraveled like crazy and it was so annoying. So I decided to add some kinky twist hair. It's kind of like the Marley twist hair. You can get that in the beauty supply store. So I decided to add that in with it as like part of the base as I'm wrapping, because then it stays in place, it makes them thicker, and it holds them in place. Like they don't unravel when you just use the regular water wave hair, like the passion twist hair. So yeah, so I'm gonna demonstrate how to do that. I mean, obviously you've seen me do this before. I'm pretty sure you've seen this a million times. If you've in your search bar was looking for passion twists and how they do them, a lot of people do them differently. But this is how I figured out doing them easy for myself. So mind you, I've been at this for like a couple hours, because you know, if you've ever dealt with a crochet needle, like sometimes it's hit or miss, you know. So take your water wave hair and pull it, like stretch it apart and fluff the bottoms. That doesn't even make sense. Just fluff that. I want it to look like this. So you know it's fluffy and thick as it's wrapping around, and creating that lock. So let's get started, so I can finish and go on about my business. Alright, where am I? Right here. Okay. So don't mind my nails. I'm about to do them later on tonight. My Valentine's Day nails. Oh shoot. Okay. So pretty simple, self-explanatory as far as crochet needle goes. Put the hair in, pull it through. Okay. And do the same with the water wave, passion twist, whatever you want to call this curly hair. Alright, so put this to the side. So my hair and the kinky twist hair, Marley hair, whatever you want to call it, is in one section, and then the passion twist hair is separate. So I'm gonna wrap it around the top to create a knot to keep it in place and to make that look neat, like, you know, make your lock look neat. So I wrap it around 3-4 times and then just go for it. Do it as messy or as neat as you want them to be. If you want them to, I mean, obviously if you're doing butterfly locks, like, it's gonna have that messy look. So sometimes I put my thumb through to create, like, you know, create this loop just to like make it fluff out and be messy, but sometimes I just don't care. And that's the whole point of this hairstyle, I believe. Like, to not really care and just come out like so pretty. And get to however what length you want it. So mine is pretty like layered. It's like long and then like gets short. I like that look. So you get whatever, you know, once you get to however long you want it to be, and then you just go back up in the opposite direction. And I'll link my other video on how I did it the last time. I'm kind of speed through this. So then once I get it where I want it, then this piece I cut off. We don't need lines. And then shake it like a salt shaker. Yeah. And then seal it with some got to be not Gorilla Glue. No shade. But yeah. So I'm gonna speed through the rest, or I'm probably not even gonna show that. Like I just showed you, or I might do it again just so you can see, but I don't know, depending on how I feel. But yeah, so that's how I did it, and then I'll be back with the full, you know, the finished look. I only got a few more left, so be right back. I'm done.
Excuses.
So in my last one, I believe I didn't use rubber band method, and that's what I did this time. I want to say I didn't. I think I like started the braid and like I fed the hair in like I was doing like knotless braids. I think that's what I did. I'm not sure. So this time I did rubber band method, and yeah. And then for the ones in the front, well, closer to like from here down, on my edges, I didn't use the kinky hair because I didn't want it to be too heavy and pull my edges. I got sensitive edges, and I don't want my hairline to fall out, you know, so yeah, so I didn't use the extra hair on those, but everything else is full. Like, for example, like this one, I didn't use the hair under it because, you know, edges, we need our edges, so I didn't want to lose mine. But, you know, to each his own, like whatever you want to do. If your edges are stronger than mine, then go for it. Use kinky hair, add it to there. But, so, you know, like overall, like I'm happy with how it came out. I don't know, I guess I'm not used to like being blonde anymore. Like this is like a number 27. I'm trying to be a little spicy for Valentine's Day, you know, so I was like, let me try color, because I did all like my natural color. So, but yeah, so hope y'all enjoyed the video. I did a whole like routine, basically, like how I prep my hair, I wash it, like dry overnight, and get to work the next day. So yeah, let me know if y'all feeling this look or not, and if there's any other things that you want me to, I guess, elaborate on. Even though I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory, but if I like went by too fast in this one or the last video and something you still don't understand, then I can do like a breakdown video.